we are very passionate at SMER Foundation to impact knowledge on our girls. We want to inspire you. We want to encourage you. We want to let you know that as a girl, you can do anything you want to do. You can be anything you want to be.
You can be the next solution provider.
Resilience is the ability to recover from setbacks. With God on your side, the only person that can stop you is you. Believe you can do it and go with God.
I learned that we should always have a high self-esteem, not a low self-esteem.
I learned that we should never give up, no matter the challenges. We should work hard so that we can make it in life.
I learned that you can learn from your past mistakes and find a solution.
Digital generation! Our generation! Digital generation! Our generation!
I'm super excited I have to do this with every one of you here. So until next